Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Fahim and you are watching Fahim Mentor. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can earn money online sitting at home. This means that I will tell you that the 12th way where you can do work from home and earn a huge amount of money online through just you need only the laptop and the internet connection where you can start your own online business or you can work from home without any hustle or without listening to bosses and any other thing or without going anywhere else. So let's get started. So 12 way to earn money online. So number 1 is freelancing. In freelancing you need to you need to sign up in certain website like Upwork or Fiverr where you will get a project where you have to create your profile, and after that you will bid on some project where you in which you are interested. Then after that, when the person or client get interested in your profile, he will contact you, and from there you can get a project and you will have to work on that, and you can get paid in monthly way or weekly or in hours. You have to discuss everything in with your client. So number two is start your own website. Now here you need to start your own website just by buying a domain and hosting, and you can start your own website and you can do whatever you like if you want to do a business, then you can do start your own business also, or if you want to do anything else like blogging, then you can do from there also. Now number 3 is participate in survey and review site. This means that you have to participate in certain survey platform, where the survey platform will give you money when you participate in some kind of survey, and you give some kind of question. You have to answer some of the 10 or 12 questions. This is like you're providing a review that how you like the product and what are the product or what are your demographic, means your income, your name, your living status, your marital status, and your gender and everything. This will create like it's information about yourself, where the platform like Swagbucks, an online paid platform, they will pay you when you participate on those questions survey. So number 4 is virtual assistant. What is virtual assistance? Virtual assistant mean that while sitting at home you need to work with corporate leaders or with corporate businessmen, so they will pay according to your work or your project. Number 5 is online tutorial. What is mean by online tutorial? Online tutorial means you have to teach the candidate, or you have to teach the person, those who are sitting in front of the laptop. You just need to guide them and you need to tell them about any particular topic. So it is very important that you have to be knowledge for any particular topic or for any particular niche, like for example, digital marketing, website designing, content marketing, blogging, and there are many other various things are there in this world. You can search it online, where you need to choose one particular topic and you need to be expert on that. So number 6 is social media management. What is social media management? Social media management means the companies who are managing their social media account, you will have to get the access. If you are selected for their project, then you just need to sit at home and you need to manage their social media account by just you need to post, comment, doing comment and regular posting content, engaging content, and from there the company or the brand for which you are working, they will pay you according to your work. So the another one is language translation. What is language translation? Language translation mean you have to be you have to be a knowledge in some particular language, like it can be a Hindi, or it can be English, or it can be Spanish, it can be German, or anything which you are interested in. You need to have a knowledge, better knowledge of that, and you have to know that language. So you just have to sit at home, and you have to guide the public the language the person is speaking. This means that you need to translate the person who is speaking, you need to translate that language into the native language the person who is listening. So that's it, and you will get paid according to that. So now the eighth way of earning money online is content writing. What is content writing? Content writing means you have to write content for website developer or for any business person. You have to write content for 600 word, 1000 word, 2000 word, as the requirement, as based on the requirement. So based on it you have to write, but you need to be expert on content writing. You have to be a good knowledge or good writing skills. So it takes time, but if you write regularly, then you can grab this opportunity. So number 9 is web designing. Web designing means you have to while sitting at home you have to take the project of website designing, and you need to develop the website, design the website, and deliver it to your client. So this means when the person or when the client required website, they will post their requirement, and after they as you follow up those content and those detail, you need to call the client, and you have to ask that if you want any website designing or anything like development things, or you want to create page. And if client says yes, yeah, I want to do, my requirement is website designing, I want 3 or 4 page website, then you just need to design or develop the website and deliver it to your client. So now the 10 point is blogging. What is mean by blogging? Blogging is a very popular online earning way, where you can sit at home and earn a huge amount of money. In this you need to have a website. So for website you have two things. Number one is domain, and number two is hosting. If you have these two things, then you can start creating your website, and you need to post regular or in weekly basis. You have to post some kind of blog, but you have to select one particular niche, because if you don't select any particular niche, then it will not work for a long time. So you have to work on that, and you have to need a writing skills, because in blogging writing skills is very 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 important. It's very crucial that you have some kind of writing skills, vocabulary skills, and everything. So so you can easily start blog, and from there you can start earning money. So number 11 is YouTube. What is YouTube? YouTube is a platform that you already always use. It's a content marketing, it's a content software, or it's a content website where you see huge amount of videos, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So in YouTube you can create a video like I am doing. You need to create a video and post it into the YouTube. And if you get to 1000 subscriber and 4000 views in whole video, then you can participate, or then you can get the access of AdSense, where you need to monetize your website or your channel, from where you can generate money online at home by while sitting at home. So the last but not the least is writing ebook. What is writing ebook? If you have a passion of writing, like blogging, content marketing. If you have a passion and if you want to educate people, then you can write ebook and publish it in some online platform, some online public some online journalist platform, where people will, those who are interested according to your niche, or those who are interested to read your ebook, they will download, they will pay you the money like $5, $10, and they will access your ebook. So from there you can generate a huge amount of money. So these are the 12 way of earning money online. So if you want to start your own website for blogging, for your business, or for website designing, or for your own business, if you want to start, or if you have a client who want a website, and if for these you need two things, as I've discussed it before. You need, number one, you need is domain, and number two is hosting. So if you are looking for the best web hosting, then please get into my description. There will be a link, 4 or 5 link, where I have published some popular hosting platform. So from there you can buy the hosting and start your own website for your client, or if you want to start a blog. So you have a great access. So from there, if you will click the link which I have in the description, the affiliate link, then you can generate so then you will get a great offer from there. So thank you. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that you get regular videos update and notification. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. And also, if you have any question, then you can comment on. And if like this video, then you can share it with your friends, and in social media also, or WhatsApp, or Facebook, or Twitter, or Instagram. And you can share my link also, this video link, which you will get in the Facebook and YouTube. So please go and start earning money online. Have a great day.